Rob Robertson here from the Mortgage Information Center. Today we're going to talk to you about the 5 steps in purchasing a new home. This is especially important for first-time buyers. So guys, gals, let's pay attention. Let's look at step number 1. Stage 1, the DIP. Anagram for Decision in Principle. What does it mean? 2 different processes, and my paper wasn't cooperating. Process number 1, points gathering. The banks and building societies have a complicated computer program that assign points to certain parts of your lifestyle and credit history. Here are some examples. Do you have Visa cards? Do you have personal loans? Do you have hire purchases? Are these being paid on time? These will give you points. Lifestyle. Are you on the voters roll? Do you rent? Or are you living with parents? These too will give you points. All these points will determine whether or not you can get a loan with a bank or building society. And these points are crucially important. What happens after the points decision is done? We then move into affordability. Banks need to be happy that the money you are bringing in and the money that is going out are in a profitable situation so you can afford to pay back their mortgage. If you pass these 2 points, you're on the way to successfully getting to number 5. Let's look at Stage 2, the purchase of the home. Purchase of the home has a couple of components in it that you need to know, but this is the fun bit. You get to view some property. Before the viewing, I recommend that you get a copy of the home report. The home report is offered by all estate agents, and it tells you exactly how the property is kept repaired. It will have a 1, 2, or 3 rating. 1 being there's nothing wrong with a particular aspect of the home. 3 being there's an essential repair that needs to be done with this home. So please have a careful read of the home report either before or after the viewing. B, lawyers. Lawyers will help you purchase the property. They're going to put the official offer into the estate agent. They are essential. We need them because it's going to make sure that you get this property. C, straight offers versus closing dates. Guys, I'm going to put this in a separate video. Please check the link that's going to be attached to this because this can be complicated and it will take a couple of minutes. So if you're not familiar with straight offers versus closing date, I encourage you to look at the link. Once this is done and you've bought the house, we know exactly what the purchase price is, we can move into stage Step 3, the full application. This is really down to your mortgage consultant. The full application consists of the following documents given to the bank and or building society. Pay slips. We need up-to-date pay slips. Normally it's 3 months. Bank statements. Up-to-date bank statements. Normally 3 months. Current ID. Driver's license, passport is perfect for ID. Just make sure, guys, gals, it's not expired. Other. Sometimes the banks will ask for other information. Now, I could give you examples that would last another 10 minutes on this video, but we just follow the rules of the bank and whatever they ask for, we are providing to them. Once stage 3 is done, which usually takes about 2 weeks, we can move on to Stage 4, survey home report. Now, why did I ask to get this on stage 2? It's so the mortgage consultant can have a read through it. Guys, gals, not everyone out there accepts just any property to put a mortgage on. Some banks are a bit fussy about it. A classic example, timber-built houses. There's only 2 lenders that will do a mortgage on these types of homes. Some of your ex-councils, they won't even do a mortgage on. That's why we must take a look at the home report early at stage 2 to make sure that stage 4 goes nice and smooth. But 9 out of 10 times the bank accepts this, and we can easily move on to stage 5, the offer of loan. This is when some of the pressure comes off. Once the offer of loan is issued by the banks and building societies, Mortgage Information Center mortgage brokers will go over the offer entirely with you. This is to make sure that you understand the importance of this document and go over the monthly payments and some of the fees that might be involved with this mortgage. But once this process is done, like I said, some of the pressure is off. Word of warning, do not buy anything on a loan until you've moved in. The bank is still watching, and they're going to make sure that you're not going to affect the affordability issues we've talked about in stage 1. So please be careful. Nothing on tick, as they say in Scotland. Got to make sure that your offer of loan is never, ever, ever taken away from you by the bank or the building society. Guys, gals, the 3 most stressful things in life: death of a loved one, divorce, moving home. Mortgage Information Center can make this process very simple. We're open 7 days a week till 8 p.m. Give us a call. Phone number will be on this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube video if you want more videos like this. Hit the like button if this was informative. Talk to you soon.